That was easy. This is my checkmate project. I'm gonna be flipping it upside down on the trailer to blueprint the bottom. I'm gonna be using this to flip it upside down. I got a winch at Harbor Freight, some accessories, and I'm gonna use the tree. I'm gonna drill a hole in the center of this transom and use this bolt. Stay tuned. I feel like this is gonna be an interesting video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video to your friends. Don't try this at home. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So now the issue that I'm having is that the winch didn't come with a bracket, so I gotta modify the bracket. And the bracket that I did buy, which says universal fit, is not universal. I mean, it doesn't fit this one. So now I gotta figure out how I can drill into this and then mount this somewhere safely and tight where it can hold the weight. So this is what my redneck engineering has led me to. Not sure if this is a smart idea or not, but I'm gonna do it. These are the old brackets that used to hold on the swim platform on a checkmate. Some U-bolts, and now I'm gonna find a way to strap it down to that tree with this. Should work. All right, this is what I've come up with. Should hold. It's pretty tight on there. Should work. Let's see, first time moving it. Oh, there we go. Now I'm going to install this by drilling a hole down the middle. I'm going to use this to make sure that my hole is straight. I'm going to estimate that this is the middle right there. And I'm going to drill a hole right there. So I'm not worried about having to fill in a hole at the middle. Good enough. I'm curious to see how thick this transom is. Let's see. No. No. I just realized I didn't use this. I'll make sure not to forget that when I'm drilling the holes for the engine. At least this I'm gonna fill up. Wonder how thick this transom is. Alrighty, so I readjusted a little bit. Got that set up this way. I got this set up this way. Need to back her up just a little bit more, and I'm gonna lift the front up with this engine hoist. That was easy. All right, so the main reason for turning her upside down is obviously to work easier and to take off, see that? Take off these hooks and make sure that everything is nice and straight. At least the last 6 feet of it. I'm gonna go buy a 6 foot long straight edge, and this hook that you can clearly see right there is gonna be gone. That one doesn't have a hook, it's just this outer pad that has a hook. That's straight. That is straight. We're just gonna confirm that everything's gonna be nice and straight. Looks like somebody bottom painted this in the past. It has a bunch of defects that I'm gonna fix. So now that it's upside down, it makes it so much easier. That hook right there, is going bye-bye. So stay tuned for that video. Hope you found this interesting. It went a lot easier than I thought.